When we all get out, I'll buy you a beer.
Make the right choice.
Congratulations, my little cattywampus cucumbers! You picked the good ending! I knew you'd make the right choice.
You mean this was all?
Great job playing your part, Abel!
CNA stuff. Pods. A way
A
out?
fabrication of my incredible world-building skills.
I was right?
Huh?
You can mess with our minds too, can't you? Stupid sauce, the vegan thing, God knows what else!
Our names?
Now, hold on, guys. Wait. I may have the ability to add temporary modifiers to make adventures more interesting, but that's it. If I did anything more, trust me, it would not end well.
Scratch. The first abstraction.
Hey! I didn't say anything like that! Questioning's over. Frank, night. Bye!